Hey gang, this is Devin. So in this milestone, we're going to do a few things. So you should have already created this code to create a link clone. So we're going to create a link clone from the ViOS base VM. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and take a look at that milestone. Make sure you've created base VM to extract that base that we captured while we were building our environment, and pull that out and have it independently under your base VMs folder. So you're gonna go ahead and create that new link clone. We're gonna call it fw-blue1, and then what you're gonna end up doing, you have to write the code to set a specific Ethernet adapter on that VM to the network of your choice. And you should be looking at your code, refactoring it, saying, that doesn't make sense. Maybe I should pass a configuration, or perhaps I should just pass parameters. So I'm making those calls, as I go through my code development, and I'm hoping, at the end of this this course, you're going to have a module that really reflects your workflow when you're dealing with these VMs. You're also going to create a function that starts the VMs. You're probably going to want to also create one that stops them as well. And obviously, you're not going to start a VM that's already started. You'll get an error. So you're going to have to discern, what is the running state of that virtual machine. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. So I'm creating the link clone. And then it's going to ask me a question, because I do need to answer this question. Do I want to set adapter one to blue1 LAN? No, I want that adapter probably to be somewhere else, if that makes sense. I want that adapter likely to be on the wide area network, right? So I'm going to say no for that one. If you look up here, I set all the networks by default to 40 WAN. So by doing that, I'm leaving it at 40 WAN. Now the second interface, I'm going to say, yeah, sure. Let's go ahead and change that. And it does. Now I'm popping to the next line. Do you want to start firewall blue1? Notice I have it start a VM. So I could have truncated this, right? I could have done something like this. I could have gone something like this, star.blue1, right? And it would have done all those VMs that started with anything and ended with blue1. Right? You're going to want to write these functions to take multiple, right? And then prompt whether or not it starts them all or one at a time. Let me save that. Let me go ahead and say yes on this guy. So let's hop into vSphere, and you can see that if you look at the recent tasks in vSphere, you can see that I've cloned ViOS base. I've done this a couple of times. You can look at your history of errors, right? Then I reconfigured it to basically put it on a network, right? The original 480 WAN network. And then I touched each one of the adapters, right? And then I powered the VM on. Let's see if my code worked to change the adapters. So I should have one on 40 WAN, right, and one on Blue LAN, our new network. So this gets you through Milestone 6.2, right? So I wish you luck. Bye now.